How to check activity on Snapchat. If you want to check your recent activity on Snapchat, it's really simple. But before that, you want to make sure that your Snapchat is up to the latest version in order to make sure that you have this feature. You can just go ahead and update your application through the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on the device that you are using. Basically, right after updating Snapchat, you can now go ahead and open up the application. And once inside, to go ahead and view your activity, it's as simple as clicking on your profile icon. And once inside your profile icon, we then have our categories right here, like your stories, friends, countdowns, and more. You can then go ahead and see a category called activity. In my case, I don't have that category because I am not active on Snapchat. So you can just go ahead and see the category called activity right here. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.